Located less than a minute's walk from Excel London, the Sunborn London is a floating super yacht hotel docked in Royal Victoria Dock, boasting free Wi-Fi access, a bar and a restaurant. The hotel is 7 minutes drive from London City Airport and a 6-minute drive from the iconic Canary Wharf. Each of the smartly designed rooms feature a TV with Freeview, air conditioning and an electric kettle. Also included is a shower, a hairdryer and free toiletries. Some of the rooms also benefit from a view overlooking the Royal Docks. At Sunborn London there is a 24-hour front desk and a sun deck. Other facilities offered at the property include a ticket service, a tour desk. The Symphony Spa offers guests the option to treat themselves to a therapeutic experience including massage and body treatments. The lounge bar serves a selection of beers, wines, ciders and spirits. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.